iPads, iPhones, computers, basically anything that's broken electronically wise, I could probably fix it. Actually, I wanted to try it the first time, and someone let me use their old iPad, and they brought all the stuff, and then I messed up on it. And then I was like, well, you learn from your mistakes. And after that, I kept getting people who wanted me to try to fix their stuff, and then it just kept happening. The hardest part is taking off the screen itself, because you gotta wait until it melts. Old adhesive, so, and I just hate waiting, so just had to patiently wait. You have to mess up on something. You have to mess up to learn. And that's how you get better from it. Easily, you can, just from you scraping one of these little pieces off, you can mess up the whole iPad.